Down at the parking lot here now, in front of the Dominion store down on the lakefront here. Clearly they haven't started anything yet. There's a big old gang of people. Got entertainment on the go here and everything. So just hang around here for a few minutes now and capture a little bit of this and fireworks, and we'll get on back again. Playing all the old songs that I like. Yeah, funny, nice little spot here now, guys. Should have my mask on down there, I suppose. Alright. As usual, the camera's not capturing anything. There's a slew of people here right now, guys. You can't see anything. Oh well. So, not much point in even putting it on me now because I can see my face either. So okay guys, I'm assuming we're going to start now in another few minutes, I suppose. We should have gotten down at maybe 10 minutes and 15 minutes of speed right now. So pretty short to be doing it now. Around a bit. I don't know if we got drones on the go up there, guys, or not. Something's flying around. So like I was saying, that was my first fireworks down here now, guys, since I left this area of town over 8 years ago. I don't know if I even checked it out much when I was living here around there actually. I'll get the music a bit a little further away from it. So yeah, it's a gorgeous night, guys. It's really, really mild. Probably around 0, maybe a little bit above 0, 2, 3 degrees, 4 degrees maybe, -4. I don't think it's below 0, guys, because I mean it feels quite mild. So Not too many crowds in the store, not overly bad. Looks like all the fun is over there. Now, anyway. So, what should I do? Walk a little ways further, guys. I'm going to cut this off now shortly. 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Wait till the actual. Try to capture the moment in as best I can. Not be able to see much of it, you know. Could be a good spot. So 6 minutes. Okay guys, I'll cut this off here now. My next one now will be the fireworks themselves. So I'm not going to see much of anything else here now. So I'm going to take care. God bless. Happy New Year. Out for now. And we'll start up again now shortly. Okay, bye bye.